Hello, guys. A very good morning to you. This is Tiago from the Trading Cage, and this is where we beat the gold. Guys, just want to talk about what happened today in the open of the American market. We were in a buy early this morning during our live, and we kept on speaking about how we are waiting for this price up at these maximum highs here. That the price had to come up and renew the maximum high of candle 133. But what happened here in this region is that it got pretty stuck in there. Okay, I had large, um, a very large resistance in here. So the chart it ran out of liquidity, so candle 177 came down to grab that liquidity, tried to bring this price back up, but couldn't manage to keep it up there. So what happened was opening of the American market, it came down to the region of support that we had just below the 50% of the day. Okay, so this is the region where we had the support last from the last retraction. So it came around here and then ran right back up, left us a three candle pattern here above 50%. We took this buy here at candle 190. We are waiting for this price up here. So let's see if it will get there. We did get a small stop. We were bought here, and then we bought here again. But then we had a very small stop of about $100. So right now we are recovering that stop, and we do expect this price up there, okay? Unless this price actually comes back down right now. We do have a really strong resistance there. I'm not going to get it out of this trade just now. I will wait to see what may happen to this price first. Um, I do expect this price up here, okay? But if it doesn't break through this resistance, I am going to call it quits for now. But we do have a lot of liquidity up here on top of all of the structures to the left, okay? Which is pretty much why the sellers are trying to protect their stops on top of that region. That's why price is not managing to go through with such an ease, okay? But this price here right now is above all trigger candles on the daily chart. So here on, oh, sorry, wrong thing. So here on our 1 hour, we are above all the trigger candles at the moment, okay? So if price does manage to break through, we would be expecting this price up here on top of this inefficiency here as well. So you could take your trade out here on the maximum high of candle 53, or you could actually expect it up here on this trigger candle above. All right. So we don't know exactly what market will do. If it doesn't break through that resistance, I am going to put this money in my pocket. Okay, because I have recovered the stop that I took, and I made an extra $100 here on this trade alone. We did about 3 trades today. So this is pretty much what happened at the American opening. We had a trade of a three candle pattern here above 50% of the movement just after the price went to grab the liquidity at the US market opening. Guys, this is pretty much this for today. For now, thank you very much for sticking around. Thank you very much for following us and trusting us. If you want to learn how to make analysis like this, get in touch with me. Okay. I'll be more than happy to help you and mentor you as well with our technique. Our technique is uh, awesomely assertive. So we do win a lot more trades than we have stops, and we try to get smaller stops so we are not over there, always giving back the money to the market. So if you want to learn how to do things like this, get in touch with us and I'll be more than happy to help you out. This is the trading cage where we beat the gold, and tomorrow at 9 o'clock we'll have another live uh, with the analysis of the gold once again. 9 o'clock Brazilian time, 7 o'clock New York time. All right, guys, see you soon. This is us for today, and have an awesome day. God bless you.